In the long time frame of prehistoric UK, many extraordinary creatures, large and small, roamed the land that would one day become Great Britain. But in the Mesozoic era, there were incredible toothy beasts that lived. In this video, we will explore some of those creatures that existed back in prehistoric UK during the dinosaur times. During the Triassic period, at the time of the supercontinent Pangaea, coelophysoid dinosaurs roamed the land. And one of the oldest UK fossils is an example of the coelophysoid dinosaur called Dracoraptor. Dracoraptor was a small, slim-looking bipedal dinosaur from the early Jurassic period, and looking at the fossils that have been found, it had small, serrated little knives for teeth. Dracoraptor would have been eating insects, small mammals, and other dinosaurs that it lived alongside with. As Pangaea was on its course to splitting apart in the early Jurassic period, marine predators called ichthyosaurs began taking over the seas around what was prehistoric UK. Ichthyosaurs had needle-like teeth in order to capture slippery prey like squid and fish. Ichthyosaurs, however, would see themselves as food, as the giant Temnodontosaurus had teeth that were blade-like in order to capture and eat other ichthyosaurs. It was probably one of the apex predators of its time. Temnodontosaurus was a true sea dragon and could grow to over 9 meters in length. As well as ichthyosaurs, plesiosaurs swam in the seas of prehistoric UK. However, there seems to be a branch leading to an animal with much larger teeth with a shorter neck. These are the group that would evolve into pliosaurs. Moving on to the late Jurassic period, dinosaurs were growing to extreme sizes, and that applied to the meat-eating dinosaurs as well. It was in this time where one of prehistoric UK's largest predatory dinosaurs emerged. This is the tooth of Megalosaurus, and even though it's missing the tip, the crown alone would have been around 3 inches long. With the root, this could have been at least an 8-inch long tooth. The teeth are serrated and are large like daggers. This was an animal that was evolved to eat large animals like the sauropods that roamed across the land. The seas of prehistoric UK were no safer, as giant pliosaurs like Liopleurodon hunted for plesiosaurs and ichthyosaurs. Fossil bones of the prey of Liopleurodon show devastating impacts of these teeth, diving straight into the bone in order for this predator to capture its prey. A prime time for dinosaurs in prehistoric UK appears to be the early Cretaceous, as a wide range of dinosaur species have been found, a lot from the south of the UK in the Isle of Wight. One of prehistoric UK's most famous dinosaurs is Baryonyx, with its heavy claw, which its name means, and had teeth that were conical and long like a crocodile. Dinosaur teeth found in the Isle of Wight that were clearly from a Spinosaurid used to be described as just from Baryonyx, but that can no longer be applied, as we now know that there were other Spinosaurids that lived on what was prehistoric UK, including Ceratoseutrops and Rhiparenata. The teeth of Baryonychids range from different sizes, but some of these teeth show wear on the tips, showing that Spinosaurid dinosaurs from prehistoric UK could have been biting down on the bones of dinosaurs as well as eating fish. Baryonychids would have shared prehistoric UK with other predatory dinosaurs such as Neorenata. The serrated, knife-like teeth that many meat-eating dinosaurs had in the Triassic, Jurassic and Cretaceous seem to be doing a pretty good job, and Neorenata was no different, with large knives for teeth in order to hunt down animals like Iguanodon. Iguanodon also had serrated teeth, but it was no meat eater. It would have used its leaf-shaped teeth to feed on the tough plant material, like ferns that would have been on the land where it lived. Not all dinosaurs could be split so simply into meat eaters or plant eaters. Here is the tooth of Hypsilophodon. It looks very similar to the incisor of, say, that of a human, This means that this animal was probably an omnivore, eating plant material, but probably also eating things like insects as well. Prehistoric UK would have also have been home to raptors, but unlike those depicted in Jurassic Park, these would have been small animals with feathers. These raptors were probably the gremlins of their time, behaving very much similar to the larger predators, but perhaps focusing on smaller animals, or maybe even hunting in groups to take down larger items of prey. Prehistoric UK would also see the beginnings of a lineage of a dinosaur that would terrorize the land in the future. These are the tyrannosaurs, and examples of teeth from Eotyrannus have been found in the Isle of Wight. This is a type of dinosaur that would pave the way to one day evolving into the mighty T-Rex that has been found in North America. As many dinosaurs roamed the land of prehistoric UK, in the skies, pterosaurs would have swooped down like ornithocyrads. These pterosaurs had needle-like teeth, probably used to hunt fish from the seas, but also may have used them to hunt dinosaurs and other animals like mammals that lived in the time of the dinosaurs. Prehistoric UK was filled with many toothy beasts, but of course there are some that we will never know about. Because of these discoveries that continue to this day, we can celebrate, showcase, and even try to recreate what the animals of prehistoric UK would have looked like during the time of the dinosaurs.